Hey friends, welcome back to another Tidy, and if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Spring is right around the corner, so today I wanted to refresh and reorganize this small linen closet in our apartment. This video is full of decluttering motivation, so if you need to get this done too, I hope you will enjoy it. And I only spent $4 at Dollar Tree to organize it all. I love the way it turned out, so let's get started. For all the new faces that are here, hello, I'm Dani. I would love to have you subscribe. I am a stay-at-home mom to 4 little boys. I used to feel extremely overwhelmed by my messy house. So here on my channel, I share my real-life cleaning routines with you every week for motivation, as well as make home organization videos like this. So if you like that type of content, hit that subscribe button. And if all of you guys could smash that like button for me, it helps my channel out so much. Now that I've got the shelves all cleared off, I'm going to go ahead and go in and wipe them down. And to do this, I'm just going to use my Meyers multi-surface cleaner. I love this stuff, you guys. I pretty much use it in all of my videos. And that's because I have a subscription with Grove Collaborative, which is absolutely free. And they ship my favorite cleaning products to my front door every single month so that I do not run out. If you want to learn more about Grove Collaborative, what it is and how it works, I have an entire video and unboxing of my very first order right here on my channel, as well as there is a link in the description box below for you to claim your free Mrs. Meyers cleaning kit. With your first order with Grove Collaborative, you will get Mrs. Meyers multi-purpose spray, a dish soap, and a hand soap. I love Mrs. Meyers cleaning products, and if you use them too, tell me what your favorite scent is, because right now I'm really loving honeysuckle. Okay guys, I have some really big news to share. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you'll know that we just announced that we are officially building a house. Oh my God, I am so excited about this whole process. I will be sharing our entire build journey on my Instagram and on my blog. So if you guys want to see the model home of the house we are building, I created a walkthrough over on my blog at tidyupwithdani.com/model. That link will be in the description box below, so you guys can take a look inside of the house we're going to build. I am super excited and so grateful to be on this journey. Our move-in date will be around fall of 2021, so we will be in our brand new house right before the holidays. So I am so excited about this. I cannot wait to share every phase of our building journey with you guys over on my Instagram and on my blog. So head over to Instagram now and follow me so we can stay connected and I can keep you guys up to date all about where we are, where we stand with the whole building process. So I'm just really overjoyed with this, and I'm just excited to take you guys along the journey with me. As I was sharing the news of our home, you guys saw me put the toilet paper and paper towels here on the top shelf. Now, I never used to do that before. I used to keep it in the original packaging and store it in our laundry room downstairs. So this change was the biggest change that I probably made to this closet, and I love it because it's so much easier now to see exactly how much of toilet paper and paper towels we have. Here is all the items that I bought from Dollar Tree. I spent $4. I got these 2 baskets, which came 2 for 1, these cube storage containers, and this basket that I'm going to use to put our washcloths in. Now we do have more towels than this, so I may end up moving the paper towels to the bottom on the floor just to give me some more space. Now I also had this makeup brush holder that I was using for my pens, and I decided to swap those out for my hair combs and brushes instead. My plan for these cube containers is to use them to hold my hair products and hair accessories. But first, I need to declutter what's inside of these 2 crates and get rid of anything that I don't use or don't need anymore. Getting these crates out of here was a really big deal to me because the only thing I wanted in this space was a laundry basket for dirty towels and washcloths. If you're still here watching, I hope you guys are enjoying the way my closet is coming together. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for sticking with me. After I am done decluttering and organizing my closet, this is the real life mess that I am left with. So I'm just going to clean it all up and vacuum this area. I just love a freshly vacuumed carpet, and vacuuming is so easy now with my cordless stick vacuum cleaner. I did find this on Amazon, so I will drop that link in the description box below in case you guys want to check it out. I told you guys this would be some major decluttering motivation. This is all of the hair products I am getting rid of, all of my old combs, old brushes, and also some old hair tools, some old flat irons that I don't need anymore. So I'm getting rid of them and it feels so good. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation as much as I did, and if you did, don't forget to smash that like button below. If you're not subscribed already and you want to see more cleaning and organization videos from me in the future, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my uploads, and I will see you guys in my next tidy. Thanks for watching. Bye!